Hey there, business owners. Welcome to a new era of business management. Are you ready to revolutionize your business operations without writing a single line of code? Imagine a world where you can automate tasks, streamline processes, and focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Today I'm diving into the world of no-code tools that can automate your business and free up your valuable time. These tools are designed to be user-friendly and powerful, allowing you to achieve more with less effort. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about one of the most popular no-code automation tools out there, Zapier. Zapier is like the glue that connects your favorite apps and automates repetitive tasks. It works by creating zaps, which are automated workflows that link different apps together. Imagine automatically sending a thank you email to your customers whenever they make a purchase, or adding new leads to your CRM without lifting a finger. Zapier can handle these tasks and much more, making your life easier and your business more efficient. With Zapier, it's all possible. Next, we have another fantastic tool that can transform the way you manage your data, Airtable. Think of Airtable as a supercharged spreadsheet that doubles as a database. It's incredibly versatile and can be customized to fit your specific needs. You can use it to manage projects, track inventory, or even plan events. The best part? Airtable's intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to use, regardless of technical skill level. Airtable integrates seamlessly with other no-code tools, making it a versatile hub for your business data. This means you can create a cohesive system that works together effortlessly. Moving on, let's explore a tool that's perfect for building web applications without any coding. Bubble. Bubble is a powerful platform that allows you to create fully functional web apps with drag-and-drop simplicity. You can design and launch your app quickly, without needing to hire a developer. Whether you want to build a marketplace, a social network, or a custom CRM, Bubble has got you covered. No coding required. This opens up endless possibilities for entrepreneurs and small business owners. Now let's look at another incredible tool for automating workflows. Integromat. Think of Integromat as your personal workflow automation assistant. It can connect multiple apps and services, automate data transfers, and even handle complex logic without breaking a sweat. It can connect multiple apps and services, automate data transfers, and even handle complex logic without breaking a sweat. This makes it perfect for streamlining your business processes and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Perfect for streamlining your business processes. Integromat can save you hours of manual work, allowing you to focus on more strategic tasks. And lastly, we have a tool that's a game changer for designing and launching beautiful websites, Webflow. Webflow is a game changer for designing and launching beautiful websites. It's a visual development tool that brings your design to life with no need for a developer. It's a visual development tool that brings your design to life with no need for a developer. You can create stunning, responsive websites that look great on any device. Plus, it offers robust CMS capabilities, so you can manage your content effortlessly. This means you can keep your website up to date with ease, without relying on a developer. So why should you care about no-code tools? They save you time, cut down on costs, and most importantly, empower you to bring your ideas to life quickly. These tools democratize technology, making it accessible to everyone. They save you time, cut down on costs, and most importantly, empower you to bring your ideas to life quickly. No more waiting on developers or dealing with complicated code. You have the power to create and innovate at your fingertips. No more waiting on developers or dealing with complicated code. These tools are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so you can get started right away. All right, business owners, it's time to take action. Embrace the power of no-code tools and watch your business transform. Start exploring these no-code tools and see how they can transform your business. The future of business automation is here, and it's more accessible than ever. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more AI and tech insights. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more tips and tools to boost your business.